Hi, I'm Simon from the Red Ferret, and if you want to have a professional editing rig, you can't miss out on professional editing headphones, and these are the MH5 headphones from BrainWavz, and these are professional studio monitor headphones, and they are pretty darn good. So there's a 42mm driver in there, and in the box, besides of course the headphones, you also get this beautiful carrying case, which is pretty cool. And in the case you have a lot of stuff. So you get a small case with an extra cable, as you can see. By the way, there are two plugs, right and left. So you also get the big audio jack for studio inputs as well, as you can see, and you can just put it off like that, and you have the regular 3.5mm as well. Also get a strap, some warranty, and then you normally have these on the headphones. So these are their normal ones. Right now I have the angled ones on there, the red ones, and these just look gorgeous and they feel amazing. I'll just show you the push on these. Look at the cushioning. That's just very nice. They're very thick as well, and they fit around your ears, or my ears at least, very well. They feel amazing, and there's a lot of noise cancellation because these are so big and fit very well, so that's very good. So besides changing out the ear pads, which is by the way very easy, there are a lot of possibilities you can do with this device. It's very versatile, so you of course have the changes over here and over here as well. These are very versatile and turn a lot, so they fit perfectly. And there's a lot of cushioning on the top as well, as you can see. I hope you can see that. But there's a lot of cushioning on this one as well, so that's very nice. They also say the cups are removable to change the sound. I don't have any cups, so I can't test it out. But these are the regular ones, so I guess you can replace these to get another driver, I guess. So my main thing looking for good headphones is looking for headphones that are very comfortable, because when you edit you have to wear them a long time. B, the sound has to be very clear, crisp, and of course very detailed, because when talking, when you hear a bit of noise or a bit of hiss on the background, you have to hear it with headphones. These are not for bass or for really listening to music. Of course they're good. Any headphones are good for music, I guess, if you're not a trained professional. But these are especially good for editing because they are very specific, focused on listening to voice, and they are very detailed as well. So yeah, I really like them. And even with glasses, as you can see, they fit very well. And I'm really annoyed when headphones don't fit well when I wear glasses, but these fit very well. They're very loud as well, so that's good. You don't need to turn up your volume completely to hear them well, so I'm going to put them on full volume. Sturdier than I expected. I expected something plastic, but as you can see it's 3.0, so that means my old MacBook that's coming from these headphones. As you can hear, these are pretty loud. So conclusion, they are not heavy, they feel well, they are very comfortable, and that's one of the most important things for me when editing, that they are comfortable. The sound is very crisp and very detailed, that's also very important. There's not an extreme amount of bass on these things, but I wasn't really expecting that. And one thing that as well, when I edit something, I mainly talk and I put some music under it, if I do put music under it, not every time. So it's not really focused on listening to music, of course, but you can change out the drivers as it says on the box probably, so yeah. But if you're looking for some good editing headphones, well, don't look no further. Don't look no further. Look no further, because these are really good and I would definitely recommend them. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. If you didn't, leave a dislike and tell us why, so we can improve. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below as well. I hope I'll see you in our next video. Bye bye.